Hello everyone, welcome to Getaroundcars online showroom. Now when it comes to styling, the Italians have it in abundance. So let me tell you about this one. This is our 2013 62 plate stop-start Alfa Romeo Guilietta Sportiva. It's the JTDM-2 1.6 turbo diesel. Now the Sportiva has all the benefits of the cloverleaf, but with a budget price tag. Come and take a look. It's finished in Alfa silver, which is a beautiful colour. Gorgeous alloy wheels with Alfa Romeo red calipers. Large, clear defined headlights. In fact, whichever way you look at this car, it just oozes prestige. I'm sorry we seem to have a little bit of background noise today, so we'll have to ignore that. We have side repeater indicators on the wing and the Sportiva logo with the cloverleaf. Now it's got tinted glass all round. It's a 5-door hatchback, and like I say, whichever way you look at this car, from every angle, it looks gorgeous. Let's take a look inside. The door mirror is grey. In fact, it's anodised. The door handles are also anodised as well, which complements the body. We've got electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors. If we look inside, the vehicle comes with 2 keys, multi-function steering wheel. The vehicle has cruise control. If we go right inside, it has a radio and CD player. It's a 6-speed manual. It's got 3 mode positions: dynamic, normal and all weather. Beautiful to die for leather upholstery seats, Recaro type seats, lots of support in the seats, which are in beautiful condition. Height adjustment on the driver's seat. We look in the rear. Now we said it's a 5-door hatch, but really it seems to be bigger than a hatch in the sense that it's got loads and loads of leg room. If you're going on a long journey, you'd value something like this. And we haven't even spoke about the miles per gallon yet. Wait till you hear that. If you're going to have children in the back, it also has ISOFIX seat fixings. There are 3 full-size seats. Look in the rear. The vehicle has recently had new tyres all round, and last year it also had a new cam belt and water pump fitted. If we open the boot area, lots of room. In fact, it looks like it's really never been used. In fact, if you fancy going skiing, there's also a ski flap. The seat configuration in the rear, you've got a 60-40 split, so you can either put one section down or both sections down, whatever you require. Now let's give you some important facts and figures as regards fuel. Urban, you can get 51.4, extra urban a staggering 76.3, and combined 64.2. It's got a top speed of 115 miles an hour And even better again, your road tax is only £30 a year. Now it's my job really just to look around the car nice and slowly, just to pick out all the points of interest and really look for any marks and dents and bumps and bangs. And it hasn't got that. There may be one or two light scuffs on a few of the alloy wheels, but you know, let's be honest, it's a second-hand car. It's bound to have one or two things, but it's got gorgeous alloy wheels. And like I said just previously, it's got 4 new tyres on the vehicle. And the water pump and the cam belt was done only last year. Let's take a look on the passenger side. They even disguise the door handles. Look at that. Loads of room. So really, if you're looking for a roomy hatchback, which is going to be good on fuel, good on the motorway, you should really be considering this. Now, if you go onto our website, there's lots of pictures, there's lots of information there as well, which will really help with your decision making. Just look at those seats. Even the passenger seat in the front has got height adjustment. The warranty that goes with all our vehicles is 3 months, which is parts and labour. If you want to extend it to 12 months, you can. If you're concerned about the coronavirus, don't worry. All our vehicles are fully sanitised for everyone's protection. So pick up the phone, give me a call, make an appointment. In fact, better than that, come and have a test drive. You won't be disappointed. If you're looking for a car that stands out, that's individual, this could be the car for you. So, my name is Jim from Getaround Cars, where cars cost less. You can call me on 07710 85 8066. Thank you for watching.